This is day one of the Neptune Regatta. It's a 200-mile race over 5 days in Indonesia, and we're on a 50-foot Beneteau racing against the field. This month on April 15th, we're having a drawing of our patrons to join us on a sail in St. Vincent from July 27th to August 3rd. This drawing is made possible by Sailogy.com, and we're looking forward to sailing on their Bali 40. Okay, it is race morning. The sun's just come up right over there. We're getting the boat prepped and ready to go to take part in the Nongs Neptune Regatta 2019. 25 boats in the fleet that are going today. There's 3 in our division, including ourselves. This is Beneteau 50. It's a 1998 Bruce Farr design. It's very similar. I mean, it's almost identical to the 1996 that I sailed across the Pacific from Canada all the way to Thailand. And then up here, just on the same dock, we've got an Oceanus 50. A lot of people are out in it. I don't know if they want me to come film them, but there's an Oceanus 50. It's I believe this is a 2004 model, so slightly different design, but here it is right here. And then next to it is another Beneteau 50. It's the Beneteau Sense 50. It's a 2017 brand new, really an amazing yacht. So these are the 3 boats. There's somebody on that one like hanging on the back, so I don't want to be too intrusive, but those are the 2 other boats we're competing against. We'll see if it's a fair fight or not. You know, there's certain points of sail that maybe the Sense should be faster at, but we should be faster upwind, we think. And then, you know, the mid-2000s model might be kind of somewhere in the middle between the 2. So hopefully it'll just come down to racing prowess, sailing prowess. You know, we've got a really experienced skipper with Maka, so he's done a lot of racing. That's good. He's really helps out. And then of course El Capitan right here, he's getting ready to go.
Hey guys.
You ready to go win?
Yeah, well, ready to go have some fun, but day 1 of the regatta, so looking forward to it.
We were one of the first boats out that morning and ready to go. This leg started out into the wind, then it was downwind, then back into the wind, about 45 miles in total. The race had all the monohulls starting at once, about 20 boats in total, so the start line was crowded.
2 minutes. Yeah, that was more.
We didn't get off to just a great start, but both our competitors were very close to a Sea Monster and Grand Lux.
Trim heads along.
30 seconds.
Can you give us a countdown, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, 30 seconds to go.
Yeah, mine's on like 8 seconds.
More? Yep, appreciate it.
20 seconds.
Tell me when. Yeah, hold the leg.
Alright.
10 seconds.
Yeah, we're 9, 8, 7. That's my conservative start for the whole regatta, okay? Okay, lad, did you hear this?
Yeah, okay, Alright.
Alright, we are on our way. We got our competitors right there. Race has started.
Early in the morning like this, there was not much wind.
Put a little bit of main on, please.
Yeah.
Put your heads along, Troy. Stay on your heads, mate. Hold that, hold it.
That Sea Monster and Grand Lux ahead of us, and the light winds we seemed to be a little bit faster. So we maneuvered to windward and pass them on that side.
Hold that.
10, 9, 8,
He's starting to multi-haul.
Not long after the start, we turned south and it was time to raise the spinnaker.
Okay, here we go.
We were still getting issues with our block fouling trying to raise the sock, and the spinnaker just wouldn't go up. That Sea Monster and the Blue Spinnaker, we were making good time on them, and then Grand Lux way back on the horizon. We were making really good time on the spinnaker, but unfortunately we had to turn back into the wind where the other boats had the advantage on us.
Sea Monster bloody room, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's got the right sail for it. Got a reef behind. Got number 3 on.
Yeah, I mean, if he doesn't have to tack.
Yeah, I know. He'll probably get us now. Anyway.
Sea Monster, being a newer boat with newer sails, could hold the red line 35 degrees into the apparent wind. We were a bit older with very old sails and we couldn't quite compete, so we had to tack.
See the reef there?
Yeah.
Tell me when. We're getting close.
Alright, let's go around, guys.
Alright, ready?
Take it over now.
Tell me when you want it off.
Let it go, mate.
Yep.
We can detach, please.
Hang on, you gotta get it in there.
On this tack, we were on a collision course with Sea Monster, although we were to starboard, so he had to bear away.
Oh, bear away, Sea Monster.
What?
They need to ease off more. Come on. Hey. Thank you. Closer than that. Is he gonna make it? You want to bring it around? Yep.
I have to keep the music volume up so that I drowned out the music we were playing so I don't get a copyright infringement.
Alright, let's go around. Ready?
Yep, ready, Bout. Hey, girl.
Go, guys.
Hey, girl. Someone give me a hand.
By the time we got on the tack that would take us home, the Sea Monster was well ahead of us, although we were closing in fast. were definitely reeling the sea monster in, although we just didn't have enough ground ahead of us to pass him.
That's the green torque beacon.
That's way back there.
Watch it. Watch out.
That's where the sea monster crossed the line, and we were less than 30 seconds behind him after a 45-mile race.
That's a yacht.
Well, it was a fun race, fellas. Cheers.
Was indeed.
Cheers to you.
Cheers. Well done.
Cheers. Yeah, it was a nice close one. We had the lead the whole way almost. I mean, they pulled ahead of us in the beginning. We came back and had a really good lead on them. But unfortunately, they could hold higher into the wind than we could, and we had to tack a few times. We ended up being about 10 seconds behind them.
10 seconds behind, yeah.
But they're a newer boat, and they should be technically faster. And so maybe if they give it a handicap, we'll do all, I don't know.
We'll do like, okay, I reckon.
Yeah, we'll see how it
There's
goes.
always tomorrow.
Yeah, there's always tomorrow. It was a good race. I mean, we're faster with more wind, for sure,
Yes.
than they are.
Yeah.
But, you know, in light winds, they're faster, but, yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right.
Good job, team.
Now it's beer 30 and then more beer 30 over there and tequila 30, I believe, at some point.
Uh-oh. That could be
Oh, there's the tequila 30 right there, so yeah.
Chin chin.
All right. He's doing a bit of surgery on our spinnaker sock.
I am indeed. Removing the inlet, which we think caused the jam.
appendix.
Yeah, we think some of the extra material on the sock is getting caught in the pulley, on the
Yeah.
block.
As we're trying to pull the sock down, so I think if we remove the offending material,
You can see all the rope lines in there just jamming that up. Yeah, that was a problem right there, absolutely.
I got you recording.
There we go. Say hi.
So Bobby, what just happened?
We
We entrusted you to drive
yeah,
the
and then I
dinghy.
fucked it up. Well, I did. So there's two different settings, and I fucked it up.
Is that because it's a Yanmar outboard, is it?
It is a Yanmar outboard. No, I just fucked it up.
Hey! Careful with me engine.
Okay, so center is on the internal tank. This way is on the external tank, and that way is off.
Got it.
Just saying. So
Good job.
now we know.
Thanks, Bobby.
And knowing's half the battle.
Yo! Welcome.
There we go. This was only day one of the Neptune Regatta, and there's a lot more fun to come. We want to thank the guys at Fish Head Island for hosting us for the evening's festivities. Thank you to our patrons for making this channel possible. Please click like and that thumbs up button.